we live here in Camas Commons. This is our second year here. Right after I had my son Gabriel, we were living in an apartment out of my parents' house. It was nice to have the support there, but it feels better to be out on your own. I don't want to depend on anybody else.
So we found programs like the Camas Commons that allowed us to kind of build our own future.
It's a really nice neighborhood. It's inexpensive, so it gives us a chance to save some money, put some money away, and there are just amazing families around here.
Had we not been able to get into something like this, we would have still been able to find something, but it would have been in a much worse neighborhood, a much smaller apartment.
You never have to worry about being safe because you know that they're there to watch out for you and to watch out for your kid. There's babysitters. Every door you knock on, somebody will be there to help you out in case of an emergency or if you just need a break. When we decide to move out of Camas Commons, we would really like to buy a home, preferably in this neighborhood. It's a very nice neighborhood, and like to still be close to the people who do live here. We took the home ownership class that gave us a ton of information. I think I would have been scared out of my mind buying a house had I not taken that class. It's really important for the Willamette Neighborhood Services to continue what they're doing because it gives people like us a chance to accomplish our goals and to live our dreams and to have a nice area to live for our family. We have a family within this neighborhood, and my son has made great friends, and I believe that other people in our situation need to have the same support that we did and the same options that we did.